Okay, let's go quickly over the Monday.com UI kit, which is not a fully designed system. Like the UI kit is quite appropriate. They do have all the like smaller things like inputs and buttons and stuff like that. No variables yet, no necessarily no light and dark. It works. I tested before, but they do lack examples, so you have to do a bunch of stuff manually. Can I even? I cannot do this. Let me try this. Doo-doo. Now, so as you can see, like they have the colors, but you have to do it manually. And I don't know why I even tried this because they don't have variables. But yeah, like you can do it easily with the plugin, so not a biggie. But the point is that there are no real templates, so I guess you have to get inspired from their apps and stuff to use this kit, which again could be fun, especially if you like the style. But other than that, it's pretty limited compared to many other systems. But yeah, not bad if you like their style. Seems like they cover a lot of stuff.